We're at Tabernas and we're in one of these very young sedimentary basins. So there's been extensional tectonics, normal faulting basins are opened up, and we can see a lot of deposits here. They've been slightly tilted, so it's a little bit of tectonism since they've been deposited. But you can see that we're in a very flat erosional surface here, and the strike of the beds runs straight across behind me here. So if we follow these beds along the strike, we can see that they're just running like this, dipping like that, and the strike is this way. Until we get here, where the beds are like this now, and the strike is like this. So something has happened to disrupt the bedding. So if I follow up, what we see, if I follow along strike, it comes along here and then bends round to being the same as the strike was here. So the beds here that I'm on are dipping the same as the beds over there. So we've got beds which are like this on either side, and on my right side, on your left, as we come towards the disruption, the beds come down like that. So what's dragged these beds here is there's a normal fault that runs along here. It's done that, and these beds have been dragged over by the motion of the normal fault. And so this normal fault is cutting through all of this bedding. So there was normal faulting that was opening the basin up, which allowed the deposition, but this fault is younger than any of the bedding that we see here. So probably it's still active. There's probably still active normal faulting and extension going on in this basin.